Hi, we're back in my video. We are still in Unit 1, entitled In My Classroom. But the topics are there's and there are, and also reading text around the world. First, we talk about there is and there are. There is and there are used to indicate that something exists or does not exist. Anak-anak, penggunaan there is dan there are itu ditujukan untuk menyatakan benda itu ada atau tidak ada. We use there is for singular noun and we use there are for plural nouns. Anak-anak, there is itu digunakan untuk menyatakan benda yang jumlahnya satu atau tunggal, sedangkan untuk there are untuk menyatakan benda yang jumlahnya lebih dari satu atau benda yang jamak. Look at the pictures to understand the difference between singular noun and plural noun. Now we see the structure and example. For question, how many, plural noun, are, there, question mark. Become, how many chairs are there? Yang artinya, ada berapa kursi di sana? For the answer, there is or there are, singular or plural noun. The answers, there is one chair, yang artinya ada satu kursi. There are 4 chairs, yang artinya ada 4 kursi. Let's have practice 1. It's taken from student's book, page 7, exercise 12. And page 13, exercise 26. Use there's or there are. Latihan hari ini diambil dari student's book halaman 7, latihan 12, dan halaman 13, latihan 12. Gunakan there's atau there is dan there are. For example, number 1, blanks, 1 birthday cake. Yang artinya, titik-titik, 1 kue ulang tahun. The answer is there. I want you to answer number 2 and so on by yourself. I give you 10 seconds. Start now. Have you got the answers? Now let's check your answer. Student's book, page 7, exercise 12, number 2. The answer is there are. Number 3, there's. Now, student's book, page 13, exercise 26. Number 1, the answer is there are. Number 2, there is. Number 3, there are. This is the text around the world entitled Classrooms, taken from student's book, page 9, exercise 16. Listen carefully.
Page 9, Activity 16. Look, listen, and read. Then write. Classrooms. Children around the world go to school in all kinds of classrooms. 1. This classroom in England is in a yurt. A yurt is a big tent. 2. This classroom in Turkey is in the forest. Students study trees and animals. 3. This classroom in the United States is in the school garden. Students grow plants and flowers. 4. This classroom in Vietnam is on the water. Students go to school in a boat every day.
Have you filled the blanks? Now let's check your answers. Number 1. This classroom in England is in a yurt. A yurt is a big tent. Kelas di Inggris berada di dalam yurt. Yurt ialah sebuah tenda besar. For your information kids, yurt itu diambil dari bahasa Mongolia yang artinya tenda besar berbentuk bundar dan portable. Jadi tendanya ini bisa dipindah-pindah oleh orang Mongol. Number 2. This classroom in Turkey is in the forest. Students study trees and animals. Kelas di Turki berada di hutan. Para siswa mempelajari tentang pohon dan hewan. 3. This classroom in the United States is in the school garden. Students grow plants and flowers. Kelas di Amerika Serikat berada di kebun sekolah. Para siswa menanam tumbuhan dan bunga. 4. This classroom in Vietnam is on the water. Students go to school in a boat every day. Kelas di Vietnam berada di atas air. Para siswa pergi ke sekolah menggunakan kapal setiap harinya.
Page 9. Activity 15. Listen and match. Complete the sentences. 1.
They are studying on water in a boat in Vietnam.
2.
They are studying plants and flowers in a garden in the United States.
3.
They are studying in a tent in a yurt in England.
4.
They are studying trees and animals in a forest in Turkey.
That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Goodbye.